Myocardial infarction. Myocardial infarction, MI, commonly called a heart attack, occurs when blood flow to a part of the heart is blocked, caused mainly by a blood clot or severe narrowing of a coronary artery. Leads to damage or death of heart muscle tissue due to lack of oxygen. Pathophysiology. Atherosclerotic plaque ruptures inside a coronary artery. Platelets aggregate and a thrombus, blood clot, forms. The clot obstructs blood flow to the heart muscle. Lack of oxygen, ischemia, leads to myocardial injury and cell death, infarction. Healing process forms scar tissue, reducing heart function. Risk factors. Modifiable, smoking, hypertension, high cholesterol, diabetes mellitus, obesity, physical inactivity, stress, unhealthy diet. Non-modifiable, age, risk increases with age. Male gender. Family history of heart disease. Genetic predisposition. Signs and symptoms. Severe chest pain or pressure may radiate to arms, neck, jaw, or back. Shortness of breath. Sweating. Nausea and vomiting. Dizziness or lightheadedness. Anxiety or feeling of impending doom. Silent MI, especially in diabetics, few or no symptoms. Types of myocardial infarction. ST elevation myocardial infarction, STEMI. Complete blockage of a coronary artery. Seen as ST elevation on ECG. Non-ST elevation myocardial infarction, STEMI. Partial blockage of a coronary artery. No ST elevation but elevated cardiac biomarkers. Diagnostic tests. Electrocardiogram, ECG, identifies type of MI, cardiac biomarkers, troponin levels rise indicating heart muscle damage. Chest X-ray, rules out other causes of chest pain. Echocardiogram, assesses heart function and damage. Coronary angiography, visualize coronary artery blockages. Emergency management. Rapid activation of emergency services. Administer oxygen if hypoxic. Aspirin to inhibit platelet aggregation. Nitroglycerin to relieve chest pain. Morphine for persistent pain. Beta blockers to reduce heart workload. Immediate revascularization, PCI or thrombolysis. Long-term medical management. Dual antiplatelet therapy, aspirin and clopidogrel. Beta blockers. Statins to manage cholesterol. ACE inhibitors or ARBs to protect heart function. Lifestyle modifications, smoking cessation, diet, exercise. Patient education. Importance of medication adherence. Recognition of warning signs of another heart attack. Adopting heart-healthy lifestyle changes. Participating in cardiac rehabilitation programs. Managing stress effectively. Prognosis. Prognosis depends on the extent of heart damage and how quickly treatment is initiated. Early intervention improves survival and quality of life. Ongoing lifestyle changes and medication adherence are critical.